Okay, so this is Stacey, who's just done her third day on the permanent makeup startup course, and we have finally got to work on lots of people.
And it was just amazing, sort of from the treatment that I've had before
Yeah.
to what I've done on a client was completely a different
Yeah.
sort of experience. I didn't have any numbing cream or anything like that, so it was, you know, for the client.
Yeah.
To feel like no pain or anything, it was brilliant.
And then obviously we then had another client in straight after that, and Kate said you pretty much did the whole procedure.
Yeah, the whole procedure from start to finish. I just like to dive in and do it. I thought it'd be a lot more scarier. But to be honest, it was just like an amazing experience from start to finish, with the position of of where to hold and the client not crying.
I suppose once you get thrown into the deep end, it sort of
That's
becomes
how I like it.
Okay, so this is Stacey, who's just finished the permanent makeup startup course with Katie. So Stacey, over the last couple of days, we've been working on lots of different clients and things. So can you remember back to this morning when we had a lady in and how those treatments went?
As an eyeliner, yeah. So it's really, really good. She's had them done before, and it was this. Well, I have no words really.
Oh, really?
I've just really enjoyed it. So, and she was really happy of her eyeliner and eyebrows.
And we've just done another set of brows a minute ago, and this was a client we've never seen before. And how was it working on someone we've obviously not met before as well, seeing a new client?
Yeah, really good. For me, it was seeing how the consultation went, from sort of start to finish with a client.
And obviously, just to sum up the few days you've been here, obviously you've come and had certain expectations on the course and that. How have you sort of found it over the whole sort of week as overall?
Yeah, really, really good. For me, I was really worried about the theory side.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I'm not very good with theory, I'm more with practical sort of hands-on things. But yeah, it was all really good and I've really enjoyed it. I don't want to leave.